Diaries serve as a valuable tool to organize our thoughts, where we can document daily events, express thoughts and feelings about specific experiences, and even share personal opinions. So let's understand how to write a diary entry. At the top left corner, write date. Check the correct manner of writing date mentioned over here. Below date, write day. Below day, write time. Then leave a blank line. After the blank line, write salutation as Dear Diary. Put a comma after writing Dear Diary. Then again leave a blank line. After leaving the blank line, start writing the body or content of the diary starting from the extreme left corner. The body or content of the diary is usually written in simple past tense. After completing the content, again leave a blank line. After that blank line, write your name or the name you are asked to write. Below the name, signature. So that's all for the diary entry. Hope this will be useful and helpful for you all. Now check the format again given over here.